Now, if you're paying attention to Pengu on the 1 hour time frame, we are currently in a ranging phase, a long ranging phase. Pengu has been ranging since July 13th, 2025, and we are still ranging. We've been ranging for a couple of days now. Now, a breakout of this range is going to send Pengu higher by the time we are breaking out to the upside. Now, if you're paying attention to what the Pengu liquidation heat map is saying on the 3-day time frame, we have lots of liquidity around 0.032817. We have over $1.3 million worth of liquidity there. So sooner or later, we should take out that liquidity around the 0.03817 zone. Now, let's head back to the chart. So I think that liquidity zone is slightly above this previous high. So sooner or later, we should take this previous high out, and then tap into this clear bearish order block. If you're paying attention, we have a fair value gap between this price zone, so we are likely to get a slight rejection from there, which is where this current liquidation heat map over $1.3 million worth of Pengu position is situated, is positions. So that is to say, sooner or later, Pengu is likely to pump to the upside to take that liquidity that is currently present there out before continuing the ranging phase. A breakout of this range would either send us down or send us higher. Now, if we are breaking down and flipping this trend line into a resistance, then we should expect to get a buy for Pengu from around 0.0249, which I said in the previous video. Now, that is going to be a high probability setup. The price between 0.0249 and also 0.023 respectively is a high entry opportunity for whoever is still waiting for a massive entry discount opportunity on Pengu. But if that is not happening and the breakout is happening to the upside, then we should expect Pengu to flip this zone into a support, then continue further rally to the upside. Now, if you're paying attention on CoinMarketCap, we are also currently ranging for Pengu. Now, before I proceed, if you're yet to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button, share this video with your friends and family. And if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Isaac. You're welcome. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Now, this is the orders chart on the weekly time frame. The orders chart is still looking good, although we've approached a resistance zone. That's why the price is currently slowing down. But I think we flipped that resistance zone on the daily time frame into a support. Now we are left with 1 day and 16 hours until this orders chart weekly candle closes. Now, this is the orders chart excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. Now, sooner or later, we should begin to full send to the upside. I think the full send for altcoins is inevitable at this point. And sooner or later, like I've said countless times, we are going to take out this $491 billion, flip it into a support and begin to send higher to $600, $700 billion respectively. We might even go as high as $1 trillion. You never can tell. Considering the mass adoption in the crypto space, President Trump just officially signed the Crypto Genius Act into law. So what is happening now with crypto is a massive revolution, and a lot of people are still sitting on the fence. Before you know it, we should begin to see trillions of dollars of market cap for the entire altcoin space. $11 trillion is very, very possible. We are currently around slightly below $4 trillion. The entire cryptocurrency market cap is currently seated at $3.8 trillion, slightly below the all-time high of $4 trillion we tapped into briefly. In a full-blown altcoin season, we should be expecting a $5 trillion, $7 trillion market cap for the crypto space. Considering the institutional adoption, the government involvement, the mass adoption currently going on, who knows, we might tap into the $10 trillion, $11 trillion zone for the entire cryptocurrency market. Just imagine what your altcoins will be doing by then. They are going to be in an explosive parabolic move to mass. I think in my last video, somebody said not Mars anymore, that we are going to be heading to, is it Jupiter? If you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button. For those new to this channel, my name is Isaac, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel before leaving. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time we drop new video. Ethereum is currently outperforming BTC on the daily time frame. We have successfully broken above this long significant resistance and now trading far above it. Now, the truth of the matter is we just approached another bearish order block zone on the, what's it called, Ethereum BTC pair. And that's why we slowed down. And that's why the entire altcoin market is currently ranging. If you're paying attention to the Ethereum liquidation heat map on the 3-day time frame, Ethereum is not like doing anything fancy for now. It is just moving in a sideways pattern, in a ranging phase, and that's why most of the altcoins are also ranging. So a breakout of this range could either send Ethereum higher to the upside or lower, which is when I can begin to expect this projection to like come to pass, to happen. An entry zone around 3,000, let's say $3,100 is a high probability entry for Ethereum price. That is, if this projection happened to plays out. We dipped briefly to around $3,484 and got a 3% pump to the upside. We are currently in the correction phase on the 4-hour time frame, currently trading at around $3,555.56. We are left with 3 hours and 90 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. I was totally wrong on the price move for the BTC dominance on the daily time frame. Now, I thought it was going to reverse from this potential reversal zone I drew, which I never knew we still have liquidity to the downside all the way to around 61.37%. Well, like I said in the previous video, even if we should lose this potential reversal zone, is still a good thing for we, the altcoin investors, because that is to say altcoins are going to be in a in a bullish mode, a bullish phase. As long as the BTC dominance continue to drop aggressively to the downside, it's a good thing for our altcoin bag. And if you're paying attention to the BTC dominance on the higher time frame, now we are currently having a very massive monthly candle drop. Now, in my own opinion, we should see this drop break eventually below the 60% level, flip it into a resistance. That is when we can start expecting the BTC dominance to drop all the way to 54.63%. By the time we are losing that zone, then I'll be taking a massive profit by the time the BTC dominance drop to 48% and 47% respectively. Massive profit, because the market should be in a massive run by then. So consider taking profit when the BTC dominance drop to around 54-55%, and also second massive profit will be when it drops to around 48-47%. Historically, the bottom for the BTC dominance is usually around the 39% level, but I won't be waiting for that 39 or 40% before I exit my entire altcoin holdings in order to be on the safer side. 42%, 43%, you should be out of the altcoin space already, because you never can tell. Take massive profit off your altcoin holdings by the time we get to 48 and 47% for the BTC dominance. So on the monthly chart, the Ethereum BTC pair, Ethereum is still outperforming BTC. That is to say, the altcoin season is inevitable already. So the altcoin season move we are expecting for Ethereum and the remaining altcoin, meme coins, is going to last for weeks and even months. This is the monthly candle for Ethereum, and we are still left with several months until we get to $8,000 to $10,000. That is to say, the rest of the month might likely be bullish for the entire market. September is usually bearish historically, so fingers crossed. Let's see what is going to like play out this time around. So as always, my name is Isaac. If you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Peace out.